I am at the airport, ready for the blizzard. Blizzard 2015. Just finished returning the car, and I'm just showing you the dome area here. And it looks like two people was trying to snuff me, but I'm not quite sure. But I think the guy's watching me. Let's see. Longest and tallest zip line in North America. I don't know, for some reason I feel like I'm being watched. Oh, shoot. Dude just jumped. Oh, shoot. No, dude just jumped. That's going on. Dude just following me. Okay. Oh, one more. You thought you knew. Thought you knew. Let me get on off to work. It's gonna be a blizzard. I've never experienced a blizzard like this. The worst one I experienced was '96. This one is supposed to be epic. Doing my famous moonwalk. So here we go, y'all. Y'all don't hear from me after this. You know the blizzard got me. Hopefully that won't happen. Bus. You have a beautiful smile.
Thank you.
Oh boy. There's a bus out here for me. You've been around, I'm going down. Oh, stop. Something. Alright, I'm done. Open sesame.